Thanks for coming here to cover up this press conference of mine. In the first place, I would like to thank the owner of this office, my senior in the Congress party as a spokesperson, Advocate Rohit Bras Visa, who was also the election agent of the PCC president for this Lok Sabha election. I thank him for giving me the space to address this press conference in a comfortable place. Now, yesterday, I read it on the media that I have been expelled. I have not received any notice. I have not received any show cause. Neither the press has been told what is the disciplinary anti-party activities I have done, because they have nothing to show them. In fact, the moment they try to point out my anti-party activities, it will be revealed that I was raising the anti-party activities done by the top leaders. In fact, of literally fixing and selling power. PCC president is on reply when the Porvorim ex-bloc president said that he is going to be the richest politician, to say how can, when we are not in power, how do we do corruption? This is the most stupid argument he puts forward. He has started selling power before the party can come to power. So how do you come to power? That is my question. Is the party functioning to bring the party into power? And this bite I had given to 2 days ago to in Goa, raising these questions. Now we have a tall leader who has been called is being sent to Goa as a strategist, goes to Kalangut block, attends the block meeting where there is a UN cry that Michael Lobo of the BJP should not be taken. And after the block meeting, when he is asked, what about that particular minister of the BJP, he says, I do not know, don't ask me about BJP. Ask me about the Congress. My question is to the strategist, are you not prepared to identify your enemy, which is the UN cry of the bloc people, and you are saying that bloc is going to select? Tell them straight. No, he's out of the question. Yes, he is our enemy, we will handle him. Fair enough. You are not acknowledging him as your enemy. What sort of a strategy you are playing? You are out to destroy and demoralize the Congress workers. The 3 candidates who are aspirants, there could be more, but 3 are very prominent there. Instead of giving the confidence and creating confidence in the cadre, saying that you need not have to worry, that such element will not be taken, you are saying, I do not know who he is. How will you fight an enemy? If you are not even prepared to identify an enemy, he may not disclose the strategy, but you are not prepared to identify him as an enemy. So what is the message? This is what I question. Now this very peculiar situation is, this notice states that as per directions of Gundu Rao, I have been sacked. And there is such confusion in that. One GPCC Sheikh is writing as president. What is this? It's going to the media. Are you the president? Is the president changed? I do not know. Could be. But I have myself not received any show cause notice, but they have no courage to do it. Now, and this, as per directions of Gundu Rao. I remember I was called to Gundu Rao at Grace Hotel to discuss and tell me to be soft, we will correct every situation. On that very night, this very AICC observer in charge of Goa desk was sacked because he was caught for corruption. He and his associates. That very night when I was sitting with him, he was totally shattered. All meetings were cancelled. Scheduled meetings for the next morning were cancelled and was sent back. That very night. Even it was the most humiliating way of removing any person. Sending him back, cancelling, and nobody had any explanation. The only explanation was he was trapped. Now, the LOP and the PCC president managed to convince the High Command to put him back. And now he is a tool in their hands. He can do nothing. You see him, he is all the time coming on record to say that he is having talks with Alliance. Under whose authority? The PCC, there is a PCC resolution. I am again and again repeating. It is not my opinion. It is a PCC resolution which said no alliance should take place. Now who is pressurizing? Everybody knows the LOP is pressurizing. Because the LOP is not interested in getting a majority for the Congress party. So he will use these people as tools to become the Chief Minister of Goa. And again loot. It's so simple. And the PCC president believes that when that clicks, his price will be increased. So when I raised these questions, and a man who was sacked overnight, who went, I was sitting with him in Place Hotel. He was called. He called me to discuss letters I had written to the PCC. I am not making charges now. I am bringing to your notice. Now, first of all, let me tell you, the PCC president is nowhere in the picture of this sacking. He doesn't know. I don't know what he knows. But he always wants to remain behind because I have evidence to say that I have raised certain questions with him. Within the party forum, saying that I went to the press and expressed things of the press, and that also the press asked me as to why I am silent. And people are casting aspersions on me. A vociferous, aggressive spokesperson is silent. And some leaders are talking nonsense. Everybody knows there is no dum in the press conferences. They are just having token press conference to show that we are saying something. Now we have a team of media cells. Dr. Ashish Kamath, have you seen him for the last 3-4 months before the press? Alton Ghosh, have you seen him before the press? Pallavi, have you seen him before the press? Advocate Khalap, Junior Khalap, have you seen him before the press? Our colleague, Khandekar, who is so knowledgeable, are they putting him before the press? Because they want the whole thing to be controlled. Now, I would like to say one very categorical thing. The PCC president is highly corrupt. And this is not my charge. This charge was made by none other than the present chairman of campaign, saying that he is swindling funds and that I will not attend the office till he is the president. This is his charge. And I have raised this question with the PCC president. I will show you a letter to that effect written to him. And that letter was written in June 22, June 27th. June 27th by email. I produced all the letters. I raised this question. What is the action against him? Though I had written on the PCC group, our group was there. What action is being taken against this statement? Silent. Then I wrote to him on June 27th, asking him, what is this? Are you involved in it? Therefore I say he is corrupt. I have not sat down on his charge. I wrote to him, pointing out this public allegation, not private. And the chairman, campaign chairman, committee chairman is now going to be campaigning, telling people what? That he was corrupt and I will not enter the office? Has this campaign chairman, which I have stated from day one when the Margao alliance took place, municipality, he sold those 2 wards of his. No candidate was put there. I had said it then, not today. Some channels blacked me out on those issues. Now, further I will go one step. That press conference was orchestrated and pushed and convinced and told me to go there was by the PCC president. This is not a charge. I have written to him, establishing this fact, and that is where Gundrao came in the picture and called me that night and started putting his hands up. I don't know what is happening. It is documented.
Same press conference where you accused this one, Digambar Kamath.
Yes, I have written to him that you orchestrated and sent me there. Then you remember, Rupesh Babu, you spoke to me and said, "Tumko kya ho gaya?" Right? Now, I was put back. I didn't apply. I didn't apologize. I didn't say anything. So, now, I said he is corrupt and I gave you the reasons. It is not my charge today. The man who called him corrupt, the man who said that I will not enter the Congress office still, and that man has no brains. If he had brains when he was made a coordination chairman, vice chairman, he went running there thinking he's got something. He got nothing. Then again he stopped. Then again he was making tantrums to leave the party and go. The people of Goa know it. These are not my charges. The PCC president is of a criminal mind. He's grown up with a criminal mind. Everyone knows he was caught and arrested for extortion by impersonating as government officials. And then the Congress government and some top politicians mollified that. But the fact remains, I don't want to take other people's names. Why should we spoil their names? But this was the brain. Therefore, he's been promoted to PCC president. The higher corruption you do, the higher extortion you do, you are promoted. Question people like me who question issues within the party and getting, then when the press asks me, why am I silent? Am I fixed up by the BJP? What am I supposed to answer them? After having written within the party, spoken plenty of time, plus put it in writing. And last of all, I said he's corrupt, he's criminal mind, and he's hardcore communal. And I have raised these issues with him again in a letter. I'm proceeding to you all. Not now. Somewhere in June or July. His answer was the minorities have got no choice. Those who are not with us, let them go where they want. Those who are with us have no choice but vote for us. Now let us consider the heritage side. The great issue that is happening. And I raised it again to him with him, not now, that time. Why is the LOP silent? And he goes there and has some token show face. People are fools. Have a token protest, I am with them. This should not happen. What have you done as a party? Now the chairman of the campaign committee is occupying an office in the secretariat, which was a gift during the late Manohar Parrikar when he took over as chief ministership in 2017. Handed over to him by the present chief minister who was the then speaker, because it is under his authority. And he continues to utilize it. When I spoke to the president, now that he has been made the working president and campaign, tell him to leave it. Still he is not leaving it. Why was that office given? To do all the fixing and setting. And there are reports here, I had put the number of questions. Those questions were all coming from BJP office. Where has the question been taken to its logical end? I am sitting before you all know it. I took up the matter before the court against the sitting minister and took it to its logical conclusion that a Serola community should be land absorbed by him was taken out. Did the Congress people ask for his resignation? Did the Congress people do anything? The EDM festivals, I am before you all. 7.5 crores was required because of my petitions. Every year I should go last minute to the court. You all know it. Has the Congress people did anything? Did they even acknowledge my work? No. You are doing it against their wishes. I am doing it against their wishes because they are all getting money. I faced a 50 crore defamation suit in Bombay, not here. Is there any politician in Goa who faced it? Why was this? And these fellows don't want people like us? During the Zilla Panchayat elections, I took up the matter with the party president. Everybody knows that the Sankwal ZP went unopposed. I questioned him and I didn't win after that. 25 lakhs was taken there and the finger was pointed out to the person who was in charge. When I questioned, he said, yes, we are going to take it up in the PCC, we will have to, I'll expose him and everything. And finally we realized that it was he who got his money. Why was there no action? I questioned him about the tickets distributed during the ZP election. Who is responsible? Let us discuss it in the PCC. Where were the faults so that we correct the situation? No correction. How can you do correction when you want that path to be taken? Now, recently when the casinos were declared open by this government, I and Ashish Kamath had a talk. Let's take on this government strongly. But I said, I'm not talking to the PC president. Inform him. Inform him. A corrupt, criminal-minded, and a hardcore criminal. I don't think I have met any communal person. Honestly, I'm talking this. And he asked me, you think I'm communal? What do you think? I've written to you, man. All your attitudes are communal. Where will they go? Who's not with us, forget them. The rest will be with us. I campaigned his whole election, Lok Sabha election. I've seen what he has done. I don't want to go into that. Ashish Kamath was told not to take the press conference. I've got documents. Consult LOP and consult Gundu Rao on casinos. Then they tell him, wait, we'll talk. I told Ashish Kamath, write to him and send me a copy. Or you are a part of it. Don't play with me. And Ashish Kamath wrote to them with a copy to me that you are not permitting us to speak against the casinos. Explain to us. What is it? So, is this not fixing? You want to bring the BJP to power again? Bring it. Tell us that. You think by kicking me out, I'm going to leave the BJP? I was being questioned why I'm silent all this time. Now I am pointing out to you, there are so many media persons. Show me. Where they are before the press. But nobody wants to talk the way they want us to talk. Some are interested in tickets. So they are still waiting there. I have declared in 2017, I will not be in electoral politics. By the grace of God, till today I have maintained it. And I am not interested with these fellows. So, Ashish Kamath wrote to them and sent me a copy. I will give you those letters. So in short, this expulsion is to silence the truth. I will not. I will not wherever I may be. I know that the media trust me and the people of God trust me what I speak. It's there for the people of God to judge. Yesterday's video of our chairman, even a thief will not get so nervous. When the thief is caught when the lock is being broken open, he is now saying, I had not gone to break the lock, I had gone to see whether the locks are safe. See his face here, see his body language. And what I am trying to draw to a conclusion is the party president says that he had to send him to an strategist. He sent him. What is the strategy? To go and do the deal and then collect the money. Somebody told me in the body, no, he does the deal. I said, no, you don't know him. He does the deal through everybody, puts those people in trouble and he collects the money. Zuari Nagar, Sankwal is the case. He was pointing out to the person who is his best friend that he is in charge and he did it and I will expose him. I have written this, it's not, I am not making charges. Give them the letters, all the three. Read them. And where in July, how much you want me to cover up, and now they know that everything is getting exploded. And Gundu Rao, poor fellow, was sacked for corruption, is now telling them to remove me forward. At least pride, and there's such a confusion that he's saying that, this fellow who's made organizing something, he's made to organize all collections. When he got the Fatorda ticket, go and see the worst. Any time, nobody got so less votes in Fatorda when Fatorda was supposed to be the Congress bastion at that point of time. Got the least, collected the money and went and sat at home. When the inquiry was shaky, she could die. So what do you want? How you run this function? I asked him what is this. He wants to keep all this for because without that how you do the collection? I will not do it for him. There are three demands. If they are, Reginald should explain, the chairman, how is he occupying that office? What made him go back on his public averments that he is swindling funds and I will not step that office till he is the president? He has to explain that. Yesterday, Fadnavis has explained that he didn't meet me, he met Sawant. He himself said, I went to meet strategists. First he said on the video, he said, he was running away. See that prudent video. He was running away. Then he came back and said, I had gone for dinner. Now he's got his strategy. What? They are cheating people. They are all fixing, setting. He's the biggest setter, no? So PCC president is not an idiot. He will use him. Do all the setting, money will go to him. And this one will start again, dancing. That he has swindled the funds. That will be too late. Give those letters. Yeah, there are. So, one more thing. When these charges were made, the president is on record that I have told Gundu Rao to investigate into this charge. Where are the investigations? I asked him that also. Where are the investigations? You are giving investigation into the hands of a person who has been removed because of corruption and you all bring him and now make him dance the way you all want him to do. That's it. There's anything left? Huh? Sorry. Dinesh Gundu Rao. Yeah. तुझा सरस question दो.
Okay, Pradhan,
Yeah.
I just have one thing. Since you have opened this Pandora's box, I had even asked you earlier and now also. What happened to that audio thing?
Forget about it. There's no comment. It's too late. I've got fresh things. Please.
No, because
No,
since
no.
you have...
See, I'll tell you.
No, why I'm...
I will
let-
tell again.
let
I
me
told you
finish.
no. One, I have spoken on fire on the.
That's what.
1 minute. On the this, what you call that? Don't make me name anybody here. On the Margaon press conference, I was blacked out. So please, I have said also no comment on that. I am on this. I got courage to speak before the camera.
Yeah, that's
I
fine.
spoken yesterday. So don't bring something which is on audio. I have got the courage to speak before the camera. I don't think there is any politician in Goa who has been courageous enough. I told you, I faced a 50 crore defamation. So don't put me into soups. Please let me be where I am.
So any deadline you are giving on these two questions?
What hell? I am already out of the party, man.
No.
What are
I am Bhandari.
Huh?
They have to answer, you said, no?
I said they should do this.
Yeah, that's what.
To the people of Goa, not to me.
What are your
What am I in the party?
I'm not talking of party.
They have to explain to the
Ah.
people of Goa. Straightforward. They don't want to explain, that is their problem. People will judge,
What are your three demands? If Lorenzo should explain why he is occupying chairmanship. That is
No. Why? I will come out.
That is
The chairman of the election of the campaign committee, the RTI is on the way. He's known as a man who can convert useful things into scrap. Yeah?
no. That
He's basically a scrap dealer. He'll make money on anything. That's another part. I will get you
I know that.
on RTI. Huh?
It is a TDC.
It is you.
That chairmanship of Goa Assembly, that is Speaker's decision.
There, RTI. You got it here? No.
I get again.
The chairmanship of Goa Assembly, that is Assembly decision, no Speaker's decision.
Speak. I said it, no.
Yeah, but what is your problem?
My question is,
They are MLAs.
my question is, under which protocol it was given to him? There should be a protocol, no?
They
I am saying it is out of protocol. It is a discretion of the.
Speaker.
I saying it. Why was it given to him to do settings? They will put the questions and you will answer. Therefore, he's got a this, no? The most number of questions. They work and write those questions. I challenge you to come for a debate. Organize a debate with
His
him.
English is bad.
Forget his English is bad. His common sense is very bad. See yesterday what he spoke when he was caught. We are going there.
What are your three demands? It was Sangarathan.
I told you that he should explain
How much is
under which protocol he got it. And why was the speaker so generous to him in 17 to give it to him? And why today he's still continuing with that luxury? After becoming the working president and becoming the campaign minister, what is he going to answer the people of Goa? They're going to question him when he goes around, number one. Number two, he should explain to the people of Goa what made him go back without coming publicly. That what happened, happened. It was my error for making charges against the PCC president, and therefore we have passed and I am going back to office. He said, yeah.
सांगवाळ जिल्हा पंचायत कोणी 25 लाख घेतले?
कोणे घेतले ते
आणि ताका हिसाबले म्हणजे पुढचे लेटर राहणार आहे.
ना 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 कोणे दिले काय म्हणता कोणाकडच्यान घेतले
देवून म्हाका ताणें सांगलें
हा.
द पर्सन वॉज केप्ट इन टच टूक द मनी.
कोण तो
कोणे सांगले? गिरीशान सांगले.
ओवर PCC president सांग म्हाका त्याचं नाव पिढे केलेलं नाका. 1 minute.
It's
I
open
wrote,
on the sir.
even on the letter I wrote to him, I don't want to name him.
Ah, it's
Please,
there on the-
on the letter also I said, I don't want to name him. But you told me. Now let me deny it, you not tell me. You read my letter, Mare.
No,
I
no,
say,
no.
Mare. I don't want to name him.
मग त्याच्या नावावर वो बोलतालो अशें म्हणटले.
तो regional गेलो कितें करपाक तो फिक्सिंग करपाक तो करतलो.
So that means ते उलयल्लो last time ते सांगितलें.
Huh?
उता, हवा.
Audience
I don't want to comment on the audio. Please don't mix up. No, don't mix up. I am specific on my expulsion. They have not, because that will create a more problem. I know that this action has come after my video on my this on the in Goa, which he came and asked me, and I said, Baba, I am silenced. I don't want to mix it up and create a further confusion. Let them say no.
ओके आणि आता
Let them charge me no that this is because of this. Then I'll explain. No, otherwise I'm cutting off the whole thing earlier.
एक
By your enthusiasm of trying to keep or hook me one of the two.
एक झेडपीचे 25 लाख घेतात त्याला सगळे झेडपीचे कडच्यान घेतले असतले न्हू
Please read my letter, brother. Please read my made that charge when it is done for considerations. What?
सो ओव्हरऑल पळयत जाल्यार काँग्रेसीन सगळ्या सध्या सेटिंगात चालले अशें म्हणटा.
हय करेक्ट
तुका कितें दिसता आतां सगळें सांग
तुवें सांग मरे
पूण हेचो सगळ्याचो सूत्रधार म्हणटा तो गिरीश चोडणकर.
गिरीश चोडणकर
अरे तो बॉस मरे आतां सांग आनी एक सांगतो तुका. राहुल गांधी येयलो हांगसर. What did he say? One statement he made. God deserves credible leaders. Did he name anybody? Did he name anybody? What deserves? Did he name anybody? He knows with himself there are no credible leaders. He knows. Show me whether he has named anybody. He himself says what deserves. Meaning what? I have no courage to name any of this. I am not picking up my own. I am drawing the conclusion from his statements. As you are wanting to draw a lot of things, brother, you see. My question is, we will speak about that, no problem. But today's this, others we will mix up with the charge against me. Let them come out, no. I have to give them a chance to come out, no.
Okay. So what happened? What is the next future for Trajan now? Is it because
See,
there are speculations of TMC and all?
I have told you, and I am telling this to many good friends for the last 1.5 months, 2 months. They are asking why you are silent, why you are silent, where are you going, where are you going? Today I am not going anywhere.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow if I get up, I don't know. No? I believe in God. I don't know. I have a lot of things in my mind. It doesn't work.
Hello.
I expected this for speaking the truth.
Hello.
If I am trying to be that thing that can silence me on my truthful talk, which I have documented, please. These are not yesterday's letters and they were Ashish Kamath has written to Casino. And kidding
So Casino
when Casino was no one more minute. They had a morcha. The morcha was for price rise. Suddenly they turned it towards the Casino and Lathi charge. Okay, after Lathi charge, you go for Gandhigiri. Why? Because your hue and cry from the Casino. What is happening here? We paid you all.
So they were paid.
They were paid me. Somebody's paid no. Which Ashish Kamath writes no. They right, Mare. Are you then next day you go for Gandhigiri. Why did you not go first day only for Gandhigiri and said try to stop all that, people will die something. After you get Lathi, and did one leader get that Lathi? Show me. Did one leader get a Lathi? कार्यकर्त्यांचे लाठी तिंका हाडल्या आझाद मैदानाचेर दरेपण प्रोसेशन काढले आणि पयशे उखलपाची तयारी तोच एक्स्टॉर्शन नो आय टोल्ड यू मरे हिज करियर हॅज बीन बिल्ट ऑन एन एक्स्टॉर्शन and that by impersonating himself as a government officer. Double crime.
Rajan, how many such honest people like you all are there in the Congress party who want to speak but not allowed to speak?
I told you all the spokespersons are honest people here. They want to speak. They are all silent. Why do you put the media cell? Close it. Disband it. Pallavi, poor girl. She's a new one.
She wants to speak, but she is silent, made silent.
Are you, she's not skipping your duty to the PCC president to ask what you're doing there. To act boss like LOP officer, ex-agent of tourism minister. LOP officer कौन बोल रहा है? तो फॉर event management, तो फॉर 30%, 30%, 30%. I refuse to even look at that. What is the 30%? He knows all and the tourism departments. This he knows. He knew the whole thing. He was there. So every time the chairman of the media said 30%, PCC 30%. Or will come. There's a lot of time. Everything you are not going. The press, print media will not cover up. So I'm little worried also. We will do it. I'll meet you as often as possible.
Okay.
Live, who's not covered? One live.
Print media.
Okay, I like right now.
I go to आपले काय झालं? He said Dinesh. He said Gundurao. When Gundurao is already dead. He's of 60 days.
तेकडे किती घालतालो?
Give me whatever.
झालं?
So,
Okay.
काँग्रेस काय फ्युचर ना म्हणतात तुम्ही आता पुढे हे मनी शासन झाले
अरे म्हाका सांग फ्युचर म्हाका सांग. Somebody asked me, I said, come, let's go to Poire. We got a candidate. You go to Valpoi, we got a candidate. You go to Pichore, one boy is there struggling, they will teach him also. Then you got a candidate, Sankheli, 4 or 5 are there. Poor, your colleague may be teach very badly. I feel sorry for him.
तेका मेळा तिकीट फुटेल तेका
हा?
तेका फुटेल
त्याका मेलो एका PCC प्रेसिडेंट सांगला. ते तो कोत्ता.
कोणाक सांगला?
तो ते कोत्ता. तू ताका सांग. आपूण डिपॉझिट आपूण मागीर वयसोडे कॅन्सल जाले. चल घरा. I know his tactics. For 3 years I was with him, man. Hardcore criminal. An institution that gave you a job on sympathy. When I told him, see your colleague and right-hand man jumping there at Aldona on the school demanding action, what else he can do? I will bring him for a debate, please. I'll be very happy. Let us, because he should also have a chance to defend himself. No?